How to fix Marvel Rivals crashing. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix Marvel Rivals when it's crashing. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're gonna do first is to just simply go to your Steam library. So just click on library right here, and then once you're here, just look for Marvel Rivals, or you can just search it right here in the search bar. So just type in Marvel Rivals. There you go. Click on it and then right click on the game. Go to properties right here, and then once you're here, just go to installed files and then just simply click on browse right here. And then once you're here, what you want to do is scroll down until you see the Marvel Rivals launcher right here. So just right click the launcher, go to properties, and then once you're in the properties, just go to compatibility right here. And then once you're here, just go to compatibility mode, tick this box right here that says run this program in compatibility mode 4. So just tick that box and then just leave it at Windows 8. And then after that, just simply click on this box right here that says run this program as an administrator. And then once you're done, just simply click on apply and then okay, and then you can now exit out of here, and then you can now open Marvel Rivals and you can now check if it's still crashing or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Marvel Rivals when it's crashing. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.